Hi students, welcome to SEKHAR's history classes. We are doing this video as part of history through mains questions. In this video, we will analyze this question related to Ashoka the Great. Question is, throw light on the significance of Emperor Ashoka in Indian history. So here it is asking about importance of Ashoka, Emperor Ashoka. Here significance means you can visualize some other synonyms as well. It could be importance of Ashoka, significance, or impact of Ashoka. So these are various synonyms, and the points which we are going to discuss here are relevant even in those questions as well. Here, these are the broad points about significance of Emperor Ashoka. Let us understand through a map. Here you can see the map. This is the territorial extent Ashoka was ruling in his lifetime. Here you can see when Magadha was one of the Mahajanapadas during 6th century BCE. It was one of the 16 Mahajanapadas. Later, Magadha grew into a very big empire and emerged as the first empire in Indian history. It became the first empire in Indian history and almost reached the entire subcontinent under Ashoka the Great. That's why he is also termed, along with political unification and because of his religious tolerant policy and other administrative aspects, he is considered as one of the greatest emperors of Indian history. Here broadly, for his political unification, he is very important. He issued inscriptions in Brahmi script in the Indian subcontinent. In this part of India, he issued Brahmi script. In Brahmi script, he issued inscriptions. And in this part, he issued local scripts like Kharoshthi script, Aramaic script, and Greek scripts. So this shows that on one hand, he unified the entire Indian subcontinent through a single script called Brahmi script, and at the same time he used local scripts and local languages to spread his message. It was considered as one of the constitutions of his time period. So these inscriptions can be considered as constitution of those times. So through his inscription, he wanted to spread the political unification idea across Indian subcontinent, and he followed religious tolerant policy. And during this time, if we see the causes for rise of Buddhism and Jainism, there were many tensions in the society. And during 6th century, along with Vedic practices, Jainism emerged, Buddhism emerged, and also other religious philosophies like Charvaka, many other such sects emerged. And because of this rise of new sect, it led to intolerant society, and there was sectarian conflict in the society. Under these circumstances, when Ashoka became the emperor, he was very much influenced by Buddhism, but he did not impose Buddhism on public. He issued code of conduct called Dhamma. It has the elements of many such great progressive religious ideas. He included all of them in his Dhamma, and he propagated his Dhamma principles through his inscriptions. So that shows that he is very advanced in nature, very visionary in nature, and it made him very peculiar and very different from other monarchs which ruled till his time. So that's why one of his greatest significance is following the policy of tolerant religious policy. He asked every religion to respect the other religions. Even today also, this philosophy is very much intact, and this philosophy is even today it is very much relevant, because India is known for unity in diversity. So we always aim for unity at the same time respecting the diversity also. So Ashoka has showed this way. And peaceful conquest was one of his greatest significance. He could have used military means to conquer the West Asia and Sri Lanka and Southeastern Asia. but he did not choose that path. He used peaceful means, and he sent, you will see the Dhamma, he sent emissaries or ambassadors to different parts of the world. And these people have taken the word of peace to different parts of the world. That's why he has chosen peaceful conquest than violent conquest across the Indian subcontinent also, within Indian subcontinent also, except Kalinga war, he did not do any other war to expand his empire. And if you see the map, his empire extended till here, but he did not expand it till deep south through violent conquest. So he sent only peaceful means, he issued peaceful means to integrate them peacefully. And also another significant aspect of Ashoka is he was a good administrator. He recruited people for the welfare of the people, and he asked the local administrators to visit the local areas and to understand the problems of people and to solve the problems of commoners. So he followed welfare state principles. Today in our modern constitution, we call the principles as directive principles of state policy. So in indirectly, so the Ashoka was following directive principles of state policy in his time period. So these are various important aspects about life of Emperor Ashoka. This question is very important for ancient India also, and also in terms of art and culture. If GS1 question asks about what we can learn from Emperor Ashoka, these points we can use in the examination. Thank you.